welcome to another episode of Deliciously Fun and Fit. We have something special again for you today. Joining us today is Clayton Altares. He's our sports coordinator here at MacDonald Island Park.
Seniors carpet bowling, we've been doing this since fall 2017, but it's a free program open to seniors 55 and above, and it's just a fun activity where seniors in our community can get together and just, you know, promote a healthy social activity together.
Great. So if one of our viewers wanted to play maybe with the seniors or against the seniors, another company in town perhaps, just to join in on the fun, who would they contact?
So they'd actually contact Heather Landing at St. Aidan's Society. She's their coordinator there, and she could get you guys set up to play against the seniors on a week. The whole objective of the game is to roll the yellow ball first, and that's where you're trying to get all your team's balls closest to the yellow, essentially. Okay. So all the balls at least have to cross the center white line for it to count. If they don't cross that line, it is just then taken off the carpet. Now the trick is, with the carpet balls themselves, the side where they're writing, the ball is actually going to curve to that side.
Of the side of the writing?
Yeah. So you can see on the ball itself.
Oh, okay. So this way it's going to curve to the left?
Yes.
All right.
So if you have it on the other side, it curve to the right. So you got to try to play the curve. So if I roll the yellow ball.
There we go.
Stays on the carpet. Stay. Oh!
Which happens?
Which happens because the carpet's actually super fast. So most people, when they first come, that's exactly what they do. They think it's bowling and they just wheel it, and then they go all the way off. So we'll just do that lightly now. So it should stay on.
All right, perfect.
Perfect. Okay. So now I have the rating on the right. So now if I roll it, it should turn to the right. See how it naturally curves?
Oh, that's tricky.
So the teams consist of 4 people.
Okay.
So 8 in total for the whole game.
All right.
So player 1s would go, they both throw 2 balls. Player 2s would go, they both throw 2, and so on.
All right. So just throw it.
So 1 foot has to be in the square when you're throwing.
This feels awkward, but oh, that's a little hard. Oh, geez. Oh.
Oh, and you knocked the yellow out. So that's bad.
Oh.
So if that happens, you just award the other team a point.
They got a point?
Because you're player 1, you just gave them a point.
So nobody wants me on their team now. As you can see, there's a lot of functional movements involved with carpet bowling, albeit they are small, they can be a lot for a senior. So Clay, why don't you walk us through some exercises that a senior can perform at home with simple exercise tools such as this chair, and that can make them stronger for carpet bowling or just overall general fitness.
Let's just start off with general squats. So let's get you right behind the chair. So if a senior has trouble with balance, the chair is going to help them just have more stability. So when you're squatting down, you won't fall over because you have something to grab and help you out. All right, so we want your feet shoulder width apart.
Okay.
So now when we're squatting down, you should feel most of your weight on your heels. We're squatting down, about 90, and we come back up. So if you want, you could actually hold out more.
Hold out more? Okay.
Just fingertips. There you go. Good. Now if that's even tough for them, they could just come around to the front and just practice sitting down on a chair.
Just sit.
So just sit completely and back up and sit and back up. Perfect. Something simple they could do at home. They got a chair. Everyone has a chair at home. Well, they should. But another one we could do also. So standing behind the chair again. So balance is important in any sport, especially seniors carpet bowling. So what we could do is we're just going to lift 1 foot off the ground.
So I'm going to transfer my weight to my left leg and lift.
and just hold for 30. And then once we're ready to switch, we just slowly put that weight back on our right, lift back up on our left, hold for 30.
So this is engaging a lot of the stability muscles for sure that would help them keep their balance, absolutely.
Yep, so we do that repetition probably 5 times. Another one we can do is behind the chair again. This one's gonna work our lower back and our legs. So we're just gonna hold on the chair and we're just gonna keep our legs straight. Right leg, we're gonna kick back with a straight leg and just do straight leg raise. So we're just there. So that's working the glutes, the lower back, hamstrings, the core.
I can definitely feel the core for sure as well, and absolutely the glutes.
We do a 15 aside and we switch.
And they can incorporate a balance one here as well. Not touching the ground as well.
Totally. Right.
Okay.
Another version of that is we're just going to do a lateral movement now. So same thing in front of the chair, and we're just going to lift our right leg to the right. Perfect. And then we'd switch.
Making sure not to lock the knee. That's grounded. Slight bend on the knee. Perfect.
To get the upper body involved, we could do a chair push-up, a little modified just because it might be a little tough for seniors to actually get the full movement with the chair. So we're actually going to have one foot out in front, right behind the chair again. Some brace, and then we're going to try to use our whole body, go down and back up. Perfect.
So you could use a table as well for this at home?
Yeah, a table, even a wall. So you could just do normal wall push-ups.
That's really good.
Yeah. So once we're all done, we can stretch it out so you can sit back in the chair, do some shoulder rolls. So going forward, we're just gonna roll our shoulders up, forward, there you go. Loosen that back, loosen the shoulders. We can go reverse, so backwards. Perfect.
Nice. Oh, that feels really nice, actually. So that's perfect, and this is something that they can do at home as well to stay nice and strong and flexible. All right, well, thank you, Clay, for showing us some of these exercises that are safe for our seniors, and hopefully we'll see some new faces here at Carpet Bowling. When again?
At 2:30 to 3:30, Mondays.
Perfect. We'll see you again.